I told you, I may well dismiss his petition,
I will
but
show
will
you.
not spare this officer who has acted contrary to law. If you don't satisfy that he has power to get into a house in the midnight, take away the car when nobody is there from the garage. If you don't satisfy that power,
That's it. That's
I will direct his suspension and holding of departmental inquiry against him. Without doubt, this man will have to face the music for what he has done unless you justify. Because of his action, I will direct release of the car
No.
and all damages to be borne from his pocket.
No hanky panky in this except.
No, hanky-panky alla, his harakiri. Why is this hero?
Heroism.
What is this
That will-
heroism?
Yes, that will-
Complainant himself coming and taking the vehicle, towing the vehicle, going and
Alala.
staying there in midnight. You can't go to the house and seize, sir. Where is the notice issued by him?
The story goes like this. A Lamborghini car is registered in the year 2022.
25.
22.
He has purchased it in 25.
No purchase, my lord, all fabricated. Welcome to that. It's purchased in the year 2022 by
alright.
one Harsha.
No problem.
Not 5
1
minutes.
minute. You initiate proceedings in accordance.
Proceedings are initiated. Joint
Where-
Commissioner holds the inquiry and then directs him to seize the car. Fabricated documents are
Where
furnished to the RTO.
where is the direction?
Yes, Lord, it is here. Lord, what happens? Harsha uses the car for 3 years. Sells it
No,
to this
if there is a fraud and
fabrication.
if there is proceeding initiated,
Yes,
he is empowered to go and seize by the competent authority,
yes,
we will spare him.
yes.
But he cannot get into anybody's house and take it away from the
No, no.
garage without authority of law.
Yes, yes.
That's
Lord,
all.
what Harsha does is, he uses it, by
No,
paying
whatever
200
whatever
rupees.
they have done, fine.
Yes,
I was only taking objection to his entry into the garage and taking it away.
it is by virtue of an inquiry,
We'll
by the
see.
Joint Commission.
We'll see.
Yes, yes,
Early. Wait.
yes. He has fabricated certain documents
No, that's all
and
right.
submitted to
If,
the RTO.
If there is no justification
Yes,
for his entry into any, see, if this is permitted, he'll get into anybody's garage and take it away without authority
he
of
has
law.
behaved like Lamborghini behaves, not
No,
like.
that's all right.
Yes.
If he,
11:30 in the night, my CCTV cameras record, he has got a register the complaint at 11:50 at night. the car was
Yes,
registered.
because
Why?
he behaves like that.
Why?
He himself has not taken the car and gone.
Why?
Not everything is
Why?
recorded. He behaves like that.
why, where is his
He
authority?
abuses, he abuses.
So I just want to know what is this heroism? Why? 11:30 ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ
Okay.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ not is there a bar in the law?
Is there a bar on the law ಅಲ್ಲ? ಏನ್?
If he has fabricated-
He is a senior IMV.
Yes,
Inspector Motor Vehicles.
Yes.
What is his power to get into a garage of a private house, take the vehicle outside
Lord, we ask him.
at the time when nobody is there at midnight hours? Where is the,
This is a compulsion.
by
Lord,
what compulsion,
If I
sir?
establish that he has fabricated documents.
That's all right.
Yes, then whenever
I may well dismiss the petition, but will not permit this man to do such things.
My lord,
What
if
does
the
he think?
law bars that I should not enter the house.
Is the senior IMV holding his personal fiefdom or he has to work in corners of law?
Virtue of an inquiry. by the
ಆಯ್ತು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
55 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ?
Lord, not
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ 55 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ?
the powers of the.
What powers of the-
inspector, we will.
If no notice under 55 is given and he enters into a garage and takes away a car for whatever proceeding it is,
Lord, that we will.
I will
satisfy-
not spare such man.
That we will.
Tomorrow he will get into anybody's house.
That we will satisfy the court.
Then-
This man has committed fraud on the government.
That is all.
Committed
I
fraud.
told you, I may well dismiss his petition,
I will
but
show
will
you.
not spare this officer who has acted contrary to law.
Yes, I will show the authority under which.
That's all right. If you don't satisfy that he has power to get into a house in the midnight, take away the car when nobody is there from the garage.
Lord,
If you don't satisfy that power,
That's it, that's it.
I will direct his suspension and holding of departmental inquiry against him.
Equally comes
Without
out
doubt. That I may dismiss.
Yes.
But without doubt, this man will have to face the music
Yes.
for what he has done unless you justify.
Yes. If he has no, if he did not have the authority to seize the vehicle based on the inquiry.
If he had no, sir, seize ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, a
ಏನ್
crime,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ?
crime ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Crime
If he
ಅಲ್ಲ.
has powers to seize as an
ಯಾವ
officer,
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್?
if he has designated as a police officer,
Ah.
I will look into that document.
Look into that Allah, you have to produce everything. Otherwise,
He's
definitely,
empowered as a police officer.
his
then he
service
has-
record will be with a departmental inquiry. Because this heroism I will not tolerate.
My lord,
Not all
heroism-
this, ಏನ್ Lamborghini ಇದೆ, Lamborghini ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. He should have authority to go seize and take the vehicle away in the midnight from a garage of a private property.
True, my lord. True, my lord.
Yes,
That we will satisfy.
that you
Lord's
satisfy.
case.
And mind you, he is not he is not a station house officer. He is a senior a vehicle inspector. You should first show me he has police powers. If you don't satisfy that, first thing is gone. Next, even in police powers, he can enter into a private property in the midnight and take away a car. Under what? Who gave him the authority? Who gave him that? Unless you satisfy that,
Yes.
we will not spare him. I will dismiss the petition if it is fraud.
That is one
But
aspect of the
this
case.
man will not
That
be
is
spared.
one aspect of the
Yes.
case. Now that he has challenged the crime, registered against him, if that is included as an issue, your lordship could well deal with
No,
that.
no problem.
Yes.
Now he has challenged the crime, that we will see, we will answer it. I'm again repeating, I may dismiss it,
Yes, yes.
but we will not tolerate this.
That powers, my lord,
Yes, sir.
If your lordship
We
could
are
have.
governed by rule of law,
Yes, certainly, certainly.
not this heroism or
No, nobody can.
heroism in uniform.
From whatever,
Yes.
from prima facie, my lord, half an hour back they came to me, I found out from the records that this man is fabricated.
Where is Arbati? Yes, wait, let him come.
Yes,
Ask him to sit,
Yes,
no problem.
to show the rules and powers, my lord, I may have to go to the rules.
Ah,
And that I will establish tomorrow.
You go to the rules or the roots, no problem. We
Yes.
will hear you.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
As far as the powers are there, powers that
Whatever,
are,
sir. You show me that it should be midnight entry into a garage, towing the vehicle away by himself, he should do it.
He has come the previous day of the seventh, stayed in the shop till midnight, CCTV cameras recorded it. On thereafter at 11:35, he has gone to Kanduri police station. By the complaint, 11:35 at night, 8 morning, he has come back to the premises, stored the car.
Yes.
my lord, he should have surrendered the car. When a crime is
Okay.
registered, he should have surrendered the car.
Oh.
He cannot play with the car, no?
Crime register ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ surrender
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಏನು?
Crime register ಆಗಿ,
Hmm.
if I establish now
You
that he has played fraud,
you establish the crime is registered or proceedings are conducted in accordance with law,
yes,
with all opportunity to him.
yes.
ಆವಾಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ, crime register
ಸರ್ ಐ
ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ-
ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಆ,
ಅದೇನ್ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಕೊಡದೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
If then why did the RTO register it?
lords,
Why did the RTO register it in 2025?
I was coming to say. even
September
the argument-
25, why did the RTO register it? 1 crore GST, 60 lakh road tax, RTO registers it. Why did he register?
50 lakhs ನ ಕವರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕವರ್ RTO ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
No, I was coming to that.
Yes.
RTO then has to be booked also in this crime.
Please do it, but
Yes.
you, RTO has 60 lakh road tax you've taken.
What?
1 crore GST is paid and you say the car is illegally held.
To 50 lakhs.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, no
60
problem.
50 lakhs.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, they will answer.
50 lakhs ನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
What
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
permits this man to go into the house and take away the car from the garage when nobody was there?
Because the crime is committed.
Oh,
by him.
seriously?
Yes, yes. Lord.
Oh, this
what
is
I'm-
permitted?
No, if it is permitted.
This is
the road,
permitted?
if it is
ಆಯ್ತು.
permitted at
Where is
this
the
time,
car now?
Car is in the
Where?
jurisdictional police.
Where?
It is there with the acknowledgement is.
Now if I find this was illegal,
Yes.
all the damage to the car will be borne from his
Bear.
pocket,
He will
from
bear.
his pocket.
He will bear. He has
Yes.
done everything meticulously.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Lord. It is in the police station where he has taken the acknowledgement for having delivered it there.
Hmm.
Yes.
We filed a 451 application day before yesterday, before the 7th AC. Kadaguri police comes and says, car is not.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where is the car? Which police station?
It is, Lord, I'll furnish.
Which police station?
Lord, Yelahanka Newtown Police Station.
Zero
It is,
FIR has been registered, magistrate says we transfer to take a Kadaguri police.
Lord, he cannot
Hello.
cover up now. It is
Ah.
all threadbare here.
Sir,
It's threadbare.
ಆಯ್ತು. No, we'll take serious note of this. This harakiri will not be permitted to continue.
Lordship,
Yes,
gives
sir.
me 2 minutes. I will establish.
Yes,
How will-
sir.
2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Kindly see the tax invoice, Lord.
Hmm.
Registered on 2022.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಭಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ, wait. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Password.
ಅರ್ಧ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅರ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತ.
ನಾನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
Yes. ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಭಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes.
Prima facie, I'll show it to you, Lord.
Prima facie ಅಲ್ಲ, prima facie I have seen
Yes. fabrication.
overindulgence of a senior motor vehicle inspector.
Yes, that we will establish it. He has the
That you
powers.
establish.
That is
Wait,
one
wait.
aspect of the case.
No, that is the only aspect of the case now.
No.
Because of his action, I will direct release of the car
No.
and all damages to be borne from his pocket.
No, the crime
Lamborghini ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
registered
ಅಂತ?
against him is charter challenge.
ಹಾ.
Crime registered.
No problem, sir.
Adu,
ಅದು
this
ನೋಡಿ.
is one aspect also,
No,
of course,
yes.
of course, no officer will take law into his own hands. But here, I have found that he has followed the procedure.
No
Under the
problem.
act, I will show. Yes.
Anything, no problem. Yes.
Arbati is here.
Where is Arbati?
Arbati is there.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್.
103.
ಏನ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? You purchased it from the showroom, correct?
Not from the showroom. Showroom has given a document.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. Sequence of events.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ಬೇಡ. Preliminary inquiry to register a crime.
Sir.
Yes.
Under what provision of law?
No preliminary inquiry.
What preliminary?
There is no provision. We conduct our own
Preliminary
inquiry.
inquiry, search and seizure ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Alright, here.
Preliminary inquiry, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು
I will
ಈಗ
brief-
ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ have you reported to the magistrate? Have you reported to the magistrate?
All that.
No.
As I
Have
said,
you
there are
reported
two-
to the magistrate forthwith?
Yes, my lord, I will.
Supreme Court says if it is not reported, departmental inquiry definite.
Yes, my lord. As I said, there are two aspects. to
Yes,
this
no
case.
two
One is-
aspects.
One is.
You
one is-
have your power to seize, no problem.
That seizure-
We will hold your power to seize, but did you report it to the magistrate immediately?
All that aspects, my lord, I will
Aspects illa, sir,
answer.
did you report it or not, that man should know. If he has the teeth to seize, he should know what to do. Where is the report to the magistrate, Kodili? Otherwise, straight away Supreme Court court made or direct departmental inquiry to be conducted.
My lord, I will.
Straight away,
Answer
sir.
that. I answer that.
Hmm. Zero FIR. sir.
Even zero FIR, not how can not a Jayanagar senior EMP cannot go and walk into any house in.
No, that is exactly the point. This I am going to take it seriously, sir.
Yes, I will answer that.
Senior IMV should be like IMV.
Yes.
ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will not tolerate.
No, I am not defending him.
Yes, yes.
Or the RTO who then will not
Whoever it
deleted
is.
the entire portal to
Sir,
help him out.
60 lakhs has gone into the state exchequer.
50 lakhs minus.
That's all right.
1
60
crore
lakhs
then-
has, 1 crore GST has
Tax-
gone into the state exchequer.
Not,
Then 60 lakhs has gone into the state exchequer.
but I.
You term this purchaser as a fraud.
I will-
Take the vehicle and go.
Establish-
First you tell me, where is the proceedings initiated prior to this determination that there is fraud?
Well, two documents I'll
Sir,
point out.
police ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಮುಂಚೆ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Well, before that,
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
allow me to make two submissions.
No, joint commission inquiry ಕೊಡಿ first. This man has behaved as if it is his personal fiefdom. We will not.
Well, I will submit.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. He has acted contrary to law, he will face the music.
No hanky panky in this except.
No,
not
hanky
overreach-
panky ಅಲ್ಲ, his harakiri. Give it. ಅದೊಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ this is the additional commission. ಸರ್, ಗಾಡಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರ್, 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಇದು this is a letter to the letter to the. ಅದೇ ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರಿ. Additional commissioner. Desire to drive Lamborghini.
Well, these two letters.
ಕೊಡಿ. What proceedings worth the name in law joint commissioners conducted will see.
To initiate a crime.
To initiate a crime.
Yes, preliminary inquiry. my
Ah,
lord.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
We cannot
With
let
one
them
minute,
get
sir.
away with that.
One
He's
minute.
cost 50 lakhs.
Without determination of a fraud, even per prima facie, how did you take the car?
Fabrication of documents.
Oh, seriously?
Yes,
ಕೊಡಿ.
my lord.
We'll
Yes,
see, we'll
it
see.
is
Give
here.
it, give it, give it.
If your
Give it,
lordship
sir.
allows me, yes, there are fabrication.
This we will take
These
it
two
to,
documents.
this will take it to its logical conclusion. Give it. GST 1 rupee pay ಮಾಡಿ. 27/1/2026 ಇದು. ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ ಕಾರ್?
Are they post that?
September 25, 1/9/2025,
ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
purchase
Yes, now.
Who is that RTO who has
to the
registered?
next-
Who is that RTO who has registered the car? Is he accused in this? Is he accused in this?
My lord, there is no, I will.
Where is the RTO who has taken 60
Lord,
lakhs
unless-
and registered
unless
this
I
car?
say the sequence of events, your lordship
No,
may not be. able
Not
to-
at all. I am going to pass an order
Yes.
now. How did you let off the RTO who has taken 60 lakhs and registered the car?
fact-
If the purchase is a fraud.
I would have come out saying that this RTO is, ought to be included in this. I will point out that. I will point out that. Now, let me point out in sequence as to what has happened and how he has fabricated documents and submitted.
Who has fabricated?
Not this man has fabricated documents and
What fab-
submitted to the RTO.
what fabrication?
What the RTO does
What
is
fabrication?
fabrication of dates.
ಯಾವ dates?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಅದು
ಯಾವ
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್
Tax invoice date.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Lord, what happens? One Harsha purchases the car in the year 2022. He pays 200 rupees as road tax as temporary registration.
All right,
He takes it to Telangana
all right,
to be registered there.
all right,
He uses it for 3 years.
all right.
He sells it to this man,
Who sells?
Harsha, to this petitioner.
That, who is the owner, from whom did he purchase the car?
Lord, what he does.
One minute. From whom did he purchase the car?
ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಹಾ,
ಅವನು ಕಾರ್ನ ಇವನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್,
ಇವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ 22 ನ ತಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು RTO ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ RTO ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. 25 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅವನು RTO ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಳೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್,
ಆಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್,
ಅದನ್ನ ಇವ್ನು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು.
RTO ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, that's a different aspect. We will implicate him.
ಹ್ಮ್.
We will implicate him.
Hmm.
Now kindly see the genuine document. Number
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
it has one
Now,
code.
1 minute.
Yes,
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
yes.
Next, where is the order of anybody to ask this man to go and seize the vehicle? You
That
show
is-
me one order.
No, that is the
And
second aspect. I will come to
which
that.
law, ಅದಾಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ aspect
Now
ಆಯ್ತು,
there
we'll
is a
take care.
crime.
Which law authorizes this man to
That I will
get
point
into a
out.
private
That-
property and ಕೊಡಿ?
That I will point out.
Give it, give it.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
Now.
rules ನೋಡು. Because half an hour-
Otherwise I'll direct a suspension now.
No, give me some time. Tomorrow I will say.
ಹಾ,
Tomorrow I will say.
yes.
Not, because that is from the rules. I will have to point out the powers of a police officer if he is designated as a police officer.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Huh?
You should have come with come with all armory.
No, ನಿನ್ನೆಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Hmm.
Because this aspect was not known to me.
Hmm.
Now what I am saying is, when a crime is registered, I am able to establish that he has fabricated the documents.
ಅರೆ,
There-
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 1 crore 60 lakhs has gone into the exchequer of the state from him.
He has reduced the amount, showing
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
it as
So
2025.
that is a matter that is to be investigated.
Investigated. That's all.
Correct.
That's all I'm saying.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ.
What I am saying is, I have established prima facie that he has fabricated
Sir,
documents.
no prima facie, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದೆ.
Prima facie, he has established that registration is correct by paying 1 crore
Oh,
60
he
lakhs.
has
Now, you may have that, but that has to be determined. He has prima facie established.
No, if he pays tax, that doesn't mean he has.
Why did you register, sir?
Instead of paying,
Why did you register? Is not a car registered have a presumption of ownership on him or presumption of fraud on him?
if the RTO
Why?
has.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ RTO was not even an
crime
accused.
register ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
RTO was not an accused.
No, crime
All right,
register
now you have registered against him. ಈಗ 1,60,00,000 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೆಕರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೀ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅವೇ ದಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
When I come to know that yes.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
First ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Lord, yes.
You should take that RTO to task saying
We will
that how
take,
did,
we will take.
when, not this man first, that man
Oh,
first.
this man has
No,
submitted the
that
document.
man first.
This
How did he, who deleted in the RTO system, sir?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Who
ಅವ್ನು
deleted?
implicate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Who deleted? sir?
ಅದು ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು
ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ,
You
ಯಾರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್?
25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Who deleted?
One of the officers there.
One of the
We
officers.
will find out that.
Find them out and
Yes.
bring them to books. Amel we will take care
Not
of it.
necessary that.
No,
we
no,
should
first bring them to books
Finding
here.
an accused
No
can be
problem.
any-
I will
any
pass a
senior.
detailed order now
Yes.
saying
But take
first
it
bring
according-
them to books, we will bring him to book.
He cannot
problem.
go scot free.
Not at
Because
all.
I have not. put
Neither
something-
your officer can go scot
Yes.
free for having done something contrary to law.
Kindly see this document.
Yes.
Kindly see this document. I am
Yes.
furnishing the document to show that the document submitted by him at the time of registration is fabricated.
Why did you
which is
register it?
ascertained from
Why did you
the
register it?
seller itself.
Why
Lamborghini.
did you register
Lamborghini
it?
gives- My lord, kindly see this document.
Who was the RTO then?
Yes, ascertained.
Who was the RTO
Now see
and
the-
who are all the persons who have handled that file?
Yes,
I will
all-
direct criminal
yes.
case to be registered against all of
Everybody,
them. Yes,
including the commissioner.
including him
Yes.
for having ಎಲ್ಲಿ trespass ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? Criminal trespass ಹಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
My lord, this is the letter given by Lamborghini saying we have only sold it in 2022, not in 2025.
All right. Why did your RTO do it?
Yes, RTO will implicate, we'll have to ascertain. First week.
No, first RTO.
Allah.
He is the man
ಈಗ-
who has connived
Yes.
and cheated the state, not this
So
man.
should we wait until we find out who the RTO is? Should we
100%.
wait? No.
You should.
No, the moment it.
I,
comes
no
right,
problem.
please,
Give it. I will answer, sir. I will pass in order,
Yes.
not a problem.
Not one
That's the
factual
letter.
correction,
He should.
one factual correction which my learned senior friend also will agree. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ
ಯಾರೋ ನಿಮ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಡೀಲರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
Dealer, sir,
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್
ಮಾಡು.
ಆಯ್ತು,
Registration
ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಇವರಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು
ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಡೀಲರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್. The problem with these things is what happens in the RTO's office, whole world knows.
Whole world knows. I
That
want
is
all
why
of
this
them-
is one such product.
I want all of them to be
Oh,
roped in.
seriously?
Yes, sir.
Cleansing
Yes,
the,
yes,
you,
my lord.
are you saying you're going to
Lord.
cleanse the agent's tables?
Lord, my
No way. You
Lord,
can.
May I
Yes.
submit? The first thing I told him that where are the RTOs why not you included them in the.
Get the names
I
of
told
the
them.
RTOs. Get
Yes,
the names.
yes.
Get the names
My lord,
of the
kindly
RTOs.
see that letter. Kindly see that letter.
Letter ಇರ್ಲಿ,
It was
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
only sold in 2022.
Sir, ಅವರೇ ಹೋಗಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
ಏನ್?
ಅವ್ರು
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
that he cannot.
ಆಯ್ತು, unless you
escape.
show the power that
that
he has ಇದು,
Yes.
I will direct him to be placed under
Yes,
suspension.
yes.
Suspension ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ sir.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Anybody, my lord, anybody who is involved in this, even the commissioner if he is involved, the first thing I told this man, where are those RTO officers who deleted that portal? I will ask the court to arrest them is what I said.
One cleansing of the RTO's office, road transport officials
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
office ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ will be an utopian land.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
It won't happen.
PDA, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
No,
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ
ಅದು
ಎಷ್ಟೋ
ಆಯ್ತು.
ದಿನದಿಂದ
ನೀವು
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
ಏನಾದ್ರು
ಆಗ್ಲೇ
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
I am talking of the road transport office. This is what happens day in and day out there. All right. Yes.
Yes.
ಈ computerization ಆಗಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. But even then there is loophole. There are loopholes.
Off the record may I sub.
Ah.
That's the problem. First thing I told him, you will give me better class. Then he said, I was contacted. Then I said, go over there. I will ask them to take action against them and register the direction of the court. and come back. Then somebody comes at 2:30, 2:03. Not having known all these years, able to correct media, corporation. Impossible. That was worse. This is what I told them. The lordship has opened everybody.
So this thing is,
Yes.
if it is a
And if he is overstepped his jurisdiction.
no, if he has overstepped, he can
Yes.
face.
Yes.
But if this, whoever is involved in this, in particular, this may not be, this may be a tip of the iceberg.
People get in and out in exam. In and out.
Well,
What's
master, without it, take this and get me those powers of this.
Yes, yes.
What is this, what is
Yes.
this second 55 ಏನು ಕೊಡಿ?
If he thinks not there is fraud or forgery. 55 subsection 5, he has to issue a notice by registered post. Fifty-five subsection 5. That too, my lord, not the complainant, R2 Allah. If a registering authority is satisfied, my lord, your lordship will see the caption of section 55 is cancellation of registration.
ಹೌದು.
Subsection 5, if a registering authority is satisfied, registering authority, my lord, is the RTO. If a registering authority is satisfied that the registration of a motor vehicle has been obtained on the basis of documents which were or by representation of facts which was false in any material particular,
Hmm.
or the engine number, chassis number embossed thereon are different from such number entered in the certificate of registration,
Hmm.
registering authority shall, after giving the owner an opportunity to make such representation as he may wish
Hmm.
to make, by sending to the owner by notice by registered post acknowledgement due at his address entered in the certificate and for reasons. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ your lordship has seen umpteen number of provision, ಯಾವ provision ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Nothing is, no provision, no process under the motor vehicle act.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ?
No, Lord, for yes, I'm sorry, for violation of section 55, 173, 174 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
BNSS.
Yeah, no, under this motor vehicle.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ.
ಈ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಇವ್ರು ಬರೀ BNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ fraud and forgery.
My lord, without reading the chapters, my lord, because unless I read the chapter, now what is pointed out the particular section which I will read, subject to my lord reading the whole chapter. Motor Vehicles Act 1988,
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
section 213,
ಹ್ಮ್.
213, my lordship gets. My lord, straight away go to subclause 5, my lord. Lordship has.
And SPP ಅವರೇ, it is not A car or B car. It is the attitude of the officers or the petitioners.
Yes, it
That
is
is under
Maruti or
examination.
Gangavati.
It may be Maruti
Yes,
800.
yes.
That's not the thing.
Yes, I think, my lord, some powers are there to seize also.
Where?
My lord, which, as I said, subject to, my lord,
Where,
reading,
where?
my lord, Motor Vehicles Act 1988.
No problem. We'll give you time till Tuesday.
Yes, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪವರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
everybody, my lord.
ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 451 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Nobody is taking.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಇವ್ರು 7th ACM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. Your lordship will see the FIR top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿಗೆಹಳ್ಳಿ police station it
ಕಾರ್
says.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
7th ACM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಲಹಂಕ ನ್ಯೂಟೌನ್ police station ಇದೆ.
Then how do you hold the car without authority of law?
That we will see, my lord.
No, ಆ ತರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
Seize ಮಾಡಕ್ powers ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ. Not even.
How have you seized?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
And that too by the complainant himself personally, not by the police.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
Complainant coming, seizing, himself towing the vehicle and going.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಅದೇ heroism ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, 2022 registration, 3 years to tax avoid ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 50 lakhs, it
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
amounts to
ಆಯ್ತು.
50 lakhs
No
avoid
problem.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
Sir,
Ah.
law will take whatever course to take against him. But why is this hero?
ಹೀರೋನ we will see that hero is
ಏನು?
zero ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Ah.
ಅದು powers ಇದ್ರೆ il be zero.
Yes.
Yes.
What is
That
this
will-
heroism?
Yes, that will.
Complainant himself coming and taking the vehicle, towing the vehicle, going
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
and staying there in midnight.
What I heard is ತುಂಬಾ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, abuse ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನ್ abuse
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಎಲ್ರು ಅವರೇ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಂತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮನೆಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಕರೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Obviously,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
you can't go to the house and seize, sir.
No.
Which law gives you power to enter into the house and seize a vehicle?
ಅಲ್ಲ, if a vehicle is involved in a crime,
If
it is subject
vehicle
to-
is involved in a
Ah,
crime.
yes, this is involved in a crime.
No, not the vehicle is now not in, your RTO is involved in a crime. Not vehicle.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರೈಮ್
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Fabrication
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್,
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ?
ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು?
ಆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ?
ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 proceedings, parallel proceedings.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್.
You have to give notice, sir. Register post notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Crime ಅಲ್ಲ sir. First, before registration of the crime,
No.
mind you, he is senior IMV. He has a duty to issue notice under
It is for
55.
tax areas, humble submission.
ನೀವು ಇರೋದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ
crime is.
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು?
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್, ಸೊ therefore
Vehicle is not involved in the crime. You have got yourself involved into that vehicle.
Yes, that is different.
So that does not mean you can seize that vehicle.
Two parallel proceedings could be conducted against him. One is for
ಅದು
tax
ಆಮೇಲೆ
recovery,
first
one is for
proceeding
fabrication.
correct ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇದೆ
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗೆ 55(5) ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has to initiate proceedings.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Crime, my lord, I am saying, before an RTO, if you file a fabricated document, that's a crime under IPC.
How many crimes you have registered on
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
fabrication, sir?
ಅದು
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸರ್?
ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ? ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ there is one more reason we are
ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ
collecting
ಈಗೋ
material.
ಅವ್ರ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
There is- ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದೆ. Previous day night 11 o'clock till 11 o'clock he was there. Why he was there? Demands and all those.
ಎಲ್ಲ record
Those are
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
also there.
ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಯಾರ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ,
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Don't-
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ. ಅಲ್ಲ
And
ಇದು
there is one more blood.
ಎಲ್ಲ CCTV ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 6 o'clock ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರು 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಎಲ್ಲ CCTV ಫುಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದು ಇದೆ. There is one historical rivalry also between we are getting some materials. We will place that also
ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್
with the same complainant and the petitioner side. That is what I am getting instruction.
ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಶಾಮೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್.
ಇವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲಾಡ್, 99 ಜನ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
They are balancing the nation.
Don't do that. ಒಬ್ಬ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 99 ಜನ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅದನ್ನ
that one man will balance, Lord. That's how the nation runs.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ?
Yes.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೌದು.
ಬೇರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾ. ಸಿ,
Lord, I'll establish.
rhetoric is there, reality is different.
Yes.
So
Reality is
rhetoric
different.
versus reality, always reality will triumph.
Ah.
We'll see. Yes. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 451?
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಯಲಹಂಕ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೌನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್.
but the learned magistrate
We'll
will
give
not
them
receive
endorsement.
it.
ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದೀವಿ, but the difficulty is not, they will take at least not, in the usual course it takes 10 days. But I will not, your lordship, impose any condition. ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. I will not bring it to the
The
road.
direction within 2 days ಅಂತ ಏನೋ 2-3 days ಇಂದ release
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನ್ನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, but I will direct the court to consider the application on Tuesday and close it.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇನೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, interim I am seeking.
ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್.
Your
ಬಟ್
lordship, impose
ಅದು
any-
ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ IMV is undertaken that he will even scratch ಇದ್ರು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಟೋನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ರ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. If I hold the seizure and
Yes,
taking
yes.
away illegal,
Yes, yes, yes.
all from his salary. ಅದೇನು
CCTV ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ that order I will pass. And all the RTOs should be brought to books in this.
Lord, it will, there cannot be any apprehension that the car will escape from the surface of the earth. Lord, I will keep it safe. Lord.
Let us see, wait.
Lord, would your lordship not, just one last
I will
submission.
permit you to approach the
RTO
magistrate.
open compound ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ police station ಅಲ್ಲಿ safe ಇದೆಯಾ, ನನ್ನ ಮನೇಲಿ safe ಇದೆ. Your lordship may consider that and
ಅಲ್ಲ,
let
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
them,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, come, I will probably give the keys or whatever. Lord, I will not bring it to road. I will not use it till your lordship passes an order or not jurisdictional
No,
court passes.
we'll do one thing. Let him park it in the garage.
Yes.
Keys will be handed over to you of the car.
ಅಲ್ಲ 2 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್
ನಾನು
police
ಅಲ್ಲೇ-
station problem ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that's why-
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
investigate, stay also.
In the light of the aforesaid circumstance, further investigation shall stand state till the next date.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ RTOನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. The stay quay the petitioner. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವನಿಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, quay the petitioner. ಇರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೇನ್
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. SPP sir, nothing will change unless the officers introspect themselves and correct themselves.
all these years no officers are sent behind bars by this honorable court.
By
Any
this
courts?
court ಯಾಕೆ?
No, by this
Conviction ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ PD ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಕಳಿಸಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್. Yes.
As many of you have requested the full hearing video, here it is along with a detailed summary of the matter. In a significant hearing before the Karnataka High Court, Justice M. Naga Prasanna stayed for the investigation into the seizure of a Lamborghini Hurricane Evo, allegedly taken by a senior motor vehicle inspector over claims of forged registration and unpaid taxes. The petitioner H1 Car Care and its proprietor informed the court that nearly 1 crore in GST and around 60 lakh in road tax had already been paid, and that the vehicle was duly registered by Bangalore East RTO. The court questioned the manner in which the officer allegedly entered a private garage and seized the car, asking the state to clarify the statutory authority under which such action was taken. The special public prosecutor submitted that the seizure followed the registration of a criminal case involving cheating and forgery. However, the bench noted that RTO officials who processed the registration were not made parties to the case and observed that if proper legal powers were not exercised, the concerned officer could face consequences. The court permitted the owner to seek interim custody before the jurisdictional magistrate and listed the matter for further hearing. Stay tuned because this case is far from over and I will bring you every major update. Have a good day.